Hello there, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today in this video what we'll do is basically we will be going to create a collection, a worksheet, and we will be going to enter some of the dates here and the donation given by some of the students. And after that we will be going to take out that what are the percentage of their donation that each student donate, for example some amount, so like what percentage of their contribution is there in total amount. And then we will be going to just view some of the functions in Excel, and we will be going to complete our Excel this video with that, right? So let's start it. First I'm giving a title anywhere. I'm saying here the title is as a students collection or students donation. That's the title I'm giving here. And right now I will be going to write some of the students name here. So let me write student and name, and here I will write date. Let me increase the width of my cell, and now let me write some dates here. I'm writing first of, let's say, July, first of July. Okay, now I will be write, oops, sorry, there is some formats here. Let me clear that first. So I will be going to click on this cell, and after that I will be click on format, and I will be going to click on, not format, I will first click on clear, and then I will click on clear formats. So now you can see that I can write the date. So 1st of July. Yeah. Now let me, I want the donation for like uh, till 4 July. So we have now dates. So I just simply drag it with the this black color pointer. Okay. So let me write some of the student name. Let me write Ali, and then let me write Abbas. Let me write Zishan, and I'm gonna write Zainab, and I'm also write here Abdullah. Okay, so these are few the name of the students. Let me write their donations. Say for example in July this amount. Okay, so I'm writing some random numbers. Okay, so you can also write some of the random numbers. I'm writing most of the numbers. I'm writing is the 3 digits. Just we are just about to go, and we are just completed. So alright, so some decimal numbers are coming. This is because of some format that we have given back then, like when I was practicing about this video, so that time. So let me clear this. So now the data is perfect. Let me color it. For example, let me just select this portion of the row and let me color it uh, maybe red or something. Let me check it out. Let's do yellow. Yellow is looking pretty much good. Now let me color this student donation text from here, and let me make it, let's say, red. Okay, now I will be going to color this entire row as blue. Let me select the row and go here and make it blue. Okay, now it looks really good, right? Let me select let me select these names here, and make it bold. Okay, you can see all the names become bold. First I select them and then make it bold. Let's now do the total, right? The total of each student. So I'm writing total here, and now I will write equal, and then I will write the formula. So just please take the notes if you want. SUM sum, and then the bracket. Then I will write the first here, that is 222. First numbers, this first cell of Ali's first cell, reference I will write. It's address. So where is this 222? It's on H column and ninth row, right? Let me click here. Yes, it's in H column and the ninth row. When I clicked here, it take it automatically, and I can just increase like this. This is the one way, or I can write manually. You can see when I just select this row, it take from H9 to K9 because this is the K9. 555 is the K9, right? Now we will be going to close the bracket and press the enter key. Now we have the total of Ali, that this is the amount donated by Ali. Now we are just making it here like this. We put it the with this black colored pointer. We just make it and drop it like this, and it automatically calculated the values for all these rows: Abbas, Ishan, Zainab, and Abdullah. Now we got this. Let me do the grand total, that what actually the total amount we received from all the students. Let me write grand total, right? So grand total will be the total of all these numbers. So again, just repeat with me the formula. We write equal, then we will write the sum, then we will write the first cell address, which is L9 in case of Ali. L9, you can see that that cell is selected with this blue color box, and then we are having Abdullah cell, which is L13. Okay, if I will do by mistake 14, then it will come more down. If I did 18, you can see you can see it's coming way down. But we don't want till 18 because there are no data. We just want till 13 because the Abdullah cell is 13. So I13 we did it. Now I'm pressing the enter. So you see that now we get the total here. Now let's take out the percentage of donation by each student. Let me write here percent. I can write anything else also, but let me write it percent for now. And now I want that how much Ali contributed in this donation. What percentage Ali contributed in this donation. So what I will do is I will first write equal, then I will write the amount, the total amount of Ali, which is L9, 1433, which is present at L9. So let me write L9 here. You can see that is selected. Now I will do this division. Then I will write the total amount, which is L14 in this case. So I'm writing L14. You can see that it gets selected, and then multiply, and then I'm writing the 100. Now press the enter key. You can see that 10%, 10.80. This is a percentage, that amount that Ali has contributed. So let me do one thing. I don't want so many decimals here. You can see 10.81673. I want just two numbers after my decimal. So what I will do is I will click here, and I will go ahead, and in the home tab I have this number area. I will click on this small pop-up, small button, and then I will click on number. You can see this 2 is here, right? So I can either increase or decrease. So if I will increase it, so I can have a 4 size number after decimal. If I can decrease it, 3, 2, whatever I want. I just want, let's say, 2 digits number after decimal, so I'm making it 2 only, and I'm pressing OK. Now you can see that the number is changed, and we are getting 10.82, 2 digit after decimal. Let me drag it down, and when I will drop it, you will see there is some error. You can see that, right? It is not taking our formula here. It is saying, I don't know, like what formula you're talking about, because this cell, 13,348, it is not taking it here because of the referencing. There are the two type of referencing in Excel. The one is absolute referencing, and the another one is relative referencing. So we're gonna make a separate video about it, that what each referencing is. Right now we can do one thing. Let me tell you. First, I will be click here, and I will say that okay, so this is my grand total, which is at position L14, and I want this grand total to be associated with each and every member, with Abbas, with Zishan, with Zainab, and with Abdullah, right? I want this amount, right? Because L14 is common, because this will be L9, after that L10, L11, L12, L13, right? And then we have to divide, and we have to say L14 with each items, each student, right? So what I will do is, before L I will put this dollar symbol, and before 14 I will put again a dollar symbol. Then I will press the enter key, and you can see that it is 10.82 right now. And now when you will be going to select these data, and you will gonna present it like this way, and you will see your error will be gone. Let me release the button of mouse, and you can see that Now you exactly know that which student how much percentage contributed in the total amount. So total amount is 13,248, and these all are the students who contributed, like for example in this amount 10%, 15%, 20%, 25%, and 27%. So this is how we take out the percentage of it. Now let's take it out, like from this total, like which student has contributed more. We can take it out from here also or from here also. Okay, let me do that. So I'm writing here, let's say what is the maximum amount we receive from a student. So I want the maximum among all these numbers, right? So what I will do is basically I will write another function which is equal max, and then I will be going to write the first cell, or maybe just want to hover it there and just drag with the help of my mouse. I can select with the help of my mouse also. It's selected. Now I will close the bracket. Now I will press the enter. You can see that 3659 is the maximum amount. Similarly, I want the minimum amount. I am writing the spelling of minimum is incorrect, because I want to tell you that this is not coming because of these spellings, these words. It is coming because of the formula. So if you are not writing minimum, or if you are writing, let's say, some Hindi stuff, like say सबसे कम amount, for example, सबसे कम I'm writing, then also it work, let me tell you, right? So just make the formula for this, which is equal for this maximum. For example, for this we have the maximum formula for take out the maximum amount. Can you guess it out? What will be the formula for the minimum? Yes, that's a min, equal min, min, and then again you will gonna hover it out, and then you will press the enter. So you can see that 1433, that's the minimum amount we get, and that's the maximum amount we get, right? For example, if I want to count that how many students are there, so let me write count here, and there's a function for that, which is equal and count, count. Oops. Let me do it, count. Yeah, now it's perfect. And let me write all these cells here, which is G9 to G13, and now I will press the equal. You can see that zero count. Why it says zero count, count, from G9, alright, till the G13, count. count equal count from G9 till G. Let me count all these numbers, whether we are getting a right value or not. Yeah, now we are getting a right value from here. Like when we are counting numbers, like there are total 5 numbers, we got 5 here. But when we are counting the names, for example these names, then we are not getting the proper value. So the count function, we can say that this is counting the numbers, but it's not counting the names, right? You can tell me in the comment section if you like, if you have an idea that why it's behaving like that. So till then we will be going to maybe discuss this topic in the next video also, that how it is like that. And yeah, so that is all about the video. Thank you so much for that. Jazakallah khaira.